Hey y'all, check out this new standing desk frame from Vevor, the company Vevor. If you haven't checked them out yet, then you definitely want to do so. We did get this product for free in exchange for our honest and unbiased review. So when we did get it, we got everything out of the box to figure out what pieces and parts we had. It was nice because everything was labeled with letters, right down to the screws that we needed, the bolts and everything. So it was very easy to put together, just followed the very well written instructions. And once we slid it all together, we had to figure out what kind of desktop we wanted to put on it. So we actually used one from another table that we had. So we got the legs put on. We did use a drill instead of the Allen wrench that came with it, just because it made it that much quicker for us. And then we put on these little side pieces, which is what the new tabletop or desktop will screw to. So we had to slide those inner pieces to figure out how wide we needed it. It does stretch out pretty far, so don't think you have to use a really small desktop. It can definitely hold a very good sized desk for you. So once we got it to the width we needed, we screwed those screws in so that way it was good and stable, and we did plug it into the power unit. It does come with a longer cable, so if you slide it out super far apart, it does come with a longer cable so it can be sure to reach the power unit on each side of the desk frame that's going to raise it up and down. At first we didn't think we had enough cord, but it does come with a longer one. And then we figured out where we wanted the little keypad, which is what you push to raise the desk up and down. It's really great because it has 3 different features, so you can set it at 3 different heights that you want it to be at. This is the highest right here. My dad is about 5'10", so you can get an idea of how tall that desk really gets. And then we did kind of like a middle of the road setting for the number 2. And then you can quickly push the other numbers to raise it down. So you don't have to push and hold the up and down each time you want to sit at it. You can just push the settings that you pre-program into it, and it will go to whatever you need it to go to for your height or for your liking. So definitely a great product. We cannot wait to use it. We know it's going to get a whole lot of use out of it. It's really quiet when it goes up and down too, which is another great feature. So if you're on the fence for this, I would definitely recommend it 100%. So go check it out.